Uh-oh. I know where that's going. Boom, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whatever gets you going. Slippery rocks. Rocks. There's fishing going on. See any rods bending. I found a way to go around the boardwalk so I could walk on something hard. Got some surfers out here. Oh, there you go. There's one right there. Look at him go. Yes, sir. Good job, Jason. No, I don't know him. I was just saying. I just said that. If the tide was to, drop a little bit, I would think about it. I would really love to get over there. And that guy didn't get too wet, but he did have no shoes on, so his feet got wet. Grandpa wants to go over there, but I just don't want to get wet. Not today. Oh yeah, that looks easy. That looks easy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't like that part. You can do it. You can do it. I bet you can, I'm telling you. I haven't seen anybody fall yet. I really think you could. I seen one guy go across them rocks right there, and they didn't seem like they were slippery. You know, and that kept him pretty much above, but you know, 1 foot at a time. Want me to throw your sneakers over to you? You got that. You got that. Yep, you got that. Beautiful job. Good job. I knew you could do it. Oh, got one up. Got one down. Got another one up. Doing good. He's doing good. Look at him go. Look at him go. That was an awesome ride. Oh, there's some big ones coming in out there. Oh, we got one up. Got one up. Oh, stay up, stay up. Get ahead of it. Get ahead of it. Got washed out. Washed out. Boy, they're riding them steady. That is awesome. Whoa, washed out, washed out. Yes, sir. They're killing it out there. Just got to beat the waves. So I've been watching that rock right there, and I think this gentleman's been watching with me. He's looking for the break, and it's coming. Like, yeah, that's it. Yeah. Great. Go, and it really is. Oh, he got some fish in there. Wonder what he got. Yeah, they're bare. Boom, done. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. Breaking hard right there. Trucks and cars on the beach. That's where I want to be when you get my butt in action. Might not be able to get out there. If you're already there, you got to wait for the tide to go back out. So they're not letting anybody on right now is all I know. Oh, they got some fish. Looks like some drum. Just from what I'm seeing, drum. I see spot on that tail. Oh, that one got me. That one got me. Yep, that one got me. Unexpected. That's the biggest wave we've had yet. You gotta time it. You gotta time it. You gotta time it. Oh, that's some nice fish. Yes, he got it. He got it. Get the heck out of there. What a good job. That's the best one yet. Uh-oh. Oh, look at you. Went back. crying out loud. That was a good job. Wow. Yes, sir. I don't know if the tide's coming in or the tide's going out. Yes, sir. He's got his hat and his glasses on just perfectly. He's coming across. I can see him coming. Here he comes. He made it. He did not. Last minute. Last minute. Yeah, you did good. You did good. You did the best of anybody so far. I've been watching. For the right moment. Gotta wait for the right moment. This ain't it. I'd hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Now's your best shot right after that. That's it. Right now. Right now's the time, brother. Come on. You got it. You got it. Beautiful job. Look at that. Oh, right at the last minute. I love it. Oh, that's slippery. Lord have mercy. Braving the elements, just going for it. Right through the middle. Right through the middle. Slippery rocks, slippery rocks. We got some real good waves off of Daytona today. I'm telling you something, these guys are killing me. There's about 15 of them out there, and they're catching wave after wave. Uh-oh, one's up. One's up. Come on, baby, get up there. Oh yeah, he's going for it. Oh, he's going for it. Oh yes, he's going for it. Getting back up on top of the wave. Go for it. Look at that. Killing it. He is killing it. All the way to the end, baby. Good job, good job. Waves are really nice. Wind's blowing offshore. I don't know about it in a tricks type of situation, but oh, she got the picture she wanted. She's coming back. She is coming back. Oh, I just got wet. I just got wet. Not real wet. But that was the one that I was waiting for. It's the reason why I'm sitting here. Waiting for that one wave that comes up this far. Come on, wave. Coming. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Good job, brother. Good job. Gotta watch the water. Just gotta watch the water. That's it. Watch for it. He's got it. You got it. Hell, I could go over there. Go, man, go. Yes, you did it. Go for it. Right now, right now. Right now, go. Step it. Got it. Good job, good job. Look at that. I think it says Beach Bar Griddle. Just got something came across my Waze. Estimated time in traffic. 15 minutes. Now there's a twister from way up in the sky. See it coming down. Oh yeah. Imagine that. Ooh, make me sick before I got to the bottom. Goodness gracious. This is the entrance to Westgate. Owners, guests, both, I guess. Got the owners on one side, just like any other place. Owners, guests over there. Eventually I'll get to these places like the movie theater and the other things. I'm gonna rent a bicycle maybe. I think I'm gonna rent a bike. just drive around. Where you come to play karaoke. Karaoke. Let's sing, baby.